The Adalov Outdoor Wi-Fi AP-1200 is engineered to withstand harsh outdoor conditions with its robust IP66 protection, ensuring reliable performance in any weather scenario. Equipped with advanced dual-band technology, this access point offers a high-speed wireless transmission rate of up to 1,200 megabits per second, making it perfect for seamless streaming and gaming. Its external high-gain antennas provide comprehensive 360-degree coverage, minimizing interference and signal loss even in challenging environments. The device features an easy hold-pull mounting design, allowing for quick and hassle-free installation without the need for professional assistance. Built to endure the elements, the Adalov Wi-Fi access point is waterproof, lightning-proof, and frost-proof, ensuring long-lasting durability. It supports a stable 48-volt standard PoE power supply, which streamlines installation and enhances the device's operational reliability.